welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about bowls that are great for weight loss. During weight loss, I ate a ton of bowls. I still eat a ton of bowls because it is simply the easiest way to eat. You can prep all of your ingredients on the weekend, make your sauces, and then all during the week, you can just throw your meals together in a bowl, top it with your sauce, and you're ready to go. I think one of the major reasons I was able to be consistent and finally lose 70 pounds was because I kept it simple. My meals, they needed to be easy to throw together because I don't have a ton of time. I'm a busy mom, and I knew that in order to be able to be consistent and eat the food that I needed to eat to be healthy, that it needed to be sustainable. So I'm going to show you guys 3 easy bowls that are full of nutrition and they're so tasty and easy to throw together. So first I'm going to show you guys my buffalo chickpea bowl. It is so good, and then you just top it with some of my ranch. And then I'm going to show you my Southwestern bowl, again another one of my favorites, and then my spring roll bowl. Again, you can prep for all of these at the beginning of the week, have everything ready to go, and then go about your week, and when it's time to eat, you just throw everything into a bowl, top it, and dig in. So remember, you guys can follow me on Instagram at Plantiful. I do post very regularly there. That is where I make all of my announcements. I share loads of stories and reels, new recipes, all sorts of inspiration. You guys have been asking me when the moon necklaces are going to be available, and they should be available on my website in another week. So again, keep checking my website, follow me on Instagram, that's where I make all of my announcements, and I will let you guys know as soon as these are available. And I wanted to let you guys know that on September 24th, I will be speaking at the Women's Empowerment Retreat. It is a virtual retreat this year. Because of COVID, it couldn't be on the lovely cruise ship it is usually on. This will be a one-day, all-day conference led by expert plant-based speakers that are female only. My friend Chef AJ will be speaking. I will be speaking on the power of self-love. There'll be other amazing speakers like Dr. Roseanne Oliveira. So it should be really great. If you're interested at all, I will link it for you guys below, along with a $10 off coupon code. So I hope to see you guys there. It's going to be covering all things lifestyles. It's going to be covering nutrition, health, exercise, mental health, how to reduce stress. There's so many categories and speakers. I'm really, really excited. I hope to see you guys there. Again, it's on September 24th. So make sure you register soon. All right, let's look at these bowls, show you how to make them, and throw them together. So for this buffalo chickpea salad, it's really, really simple. You're just gonna start with a really big bowl, and I mean big, like this one is the size of my head. You wanna make sure that you're eating enough. So I'm gonna fill this bowl with some baby spring mix. It's my favorite mix of greens. You can fill it with whatever greens you enjoy. But this is a really great way to get in all those nutritious greens every day. Then I'm gonna slice a cucumber and add that to my salad. Then I'm going to slice up some red onion. And then I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes. And of course you can add whatever vegetables you like. I just feel like these simple veggies go really well with the buffalo chickpeas. And yeah, it's super simple. All right, so now I'm gonna make the buffalo chickpeas, and all I'm gonna do is take a can of these garbanzo beans or chickpeas, and this is my favorite brand. I like them because they soak them before they cook them. So now I'm gonna mash the chickpeas down, and I like mine to have a little texture, so that's why I don't throw them in a blender or in a food processor. I don't like them creamy. I like them to be definitely kind of just broken up in there. So now I'm just gonna take some buffalo wing sauce. Now you guys may be able to find something from the health food store. I personally cannot find anything at the health food store that doesn't have eggs or dairy in them. So this is the best I can do at my little local market, is this Frank's Red Hot Wings sauce. So if you can find something that's a little bit cleaner and better, then definitely go for it. But this is what I'm gonna use. So I'm just gonna throw 2 to 3 tablespoons in here. You can make it as saucy and as hot as you want. Just be mindful of how much you put in, especially if it has oil in it. So then you're just gonna mix it up so it looks like this, and then it's ready to go on top of your salad. So I like to add anywhere from half a cup of this to half of the can for one serving, and then I will top it with my ranch dressing. And I will of course link all of these recipes for you guys below. If you haven't tried my ranch, you should really try it. It is so good. It does have some cashews in it. You can cut the cashews in half. You can also use hemp seeds if you're allergic to nuts, or you can swap out the nuts and seeds for beans instead to make it a nut-free and lower in fat dressing. But I just like to use the cashews. It's honestly less calories per tablespoon than balsamic vinegar. Plus you're getting the nutritional benefits of moderate amounts of nuts and seeds. So this Southwestern salad bowl is another one of my favorites. It's really easy to prep for the week. It's nice and easy to have everything ready to go, and then you can just throw together this yummy filling salad whenever you're ready to eat. So I'm gonna again start with a large bowl. This one is the same size as the last one I showed you, and I'm gonna fill it full of greens. Then I'm gonna add some chopped tomato, then some sliced red onion, then some shredded carrots. And again, you can add whatever vegetables you would like to your salad, but I'm just adding the ones that I like and are easy to have prepped. So now I'm just gonna add some cooked rice. Yes, brown rice is better for you. It has more nutrition. I just cannot get to a place where I enjoy brown rice. So if you like white rice only, like me, you know, I didn't have any trouble losing weight with white rice. So give it a try. If you want to do better than I'm doing, then definitely go for the brown rice. Now I'm going to add some canned black beans that I have drained and rinsed, and a little corn. I also love a little jalapeno, and these are coming from my neighbor down the road and from her lovely garden. And finally, I'm gonna add just a few little slices of avocado. All right, so now I'm gonna show you guys how I make my Southwestern ranch, and it's basically my ranch recipe with added chili powder and lime zest. And then I like to stir in some cilantro at the end, but I am actually out of cilantro. If I had any, you guys know me, I would have sprinkled it all over my salad already. Again, I'm gonna start off with some cashews, and then I'm gonna add some garlic powder and onion powder. If you're allergic to nuts, you can sub it with hemp seeds, and if you want to be completely nut and seed free, you can just use white beans. I'm gonna add a little salt. I'm gonna add a few teaspoons of chili powder. And then I'm gonna zest my lime into here, and I just like this because it gives it a really bright limey flavor. So then I'm gonna add either a little bit of vinegar or a little bit of lemon juice, whatever you have on hand. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of plant milk. Now the original recipe calls for soy milk, but I know a lot of people don't do soy. However, the soy is what makes it really thick and creamy. So just know that if you use a different milk like I'm using today, it is gonna be a lot runnier. It still tastes great, it's just not gonna be as thick. And you can of course play with the amounts to adjust it and make it as creamy as you like. And there you go, super easy. It's a great idea to prep all of your sauces at the beginning of the week. That way everything is ready to throw together and dress. So this spring roll bowl is one of my absolute favorites. So again, you're gonna start with a huge bowl of greens. And then I'm gonna take this Julienne Peeler and just Julienne these carrots. You can also buy shredded carrots if you don't wanna do this. And I just found this Julienne Peeler on Amazon. I will link it for you guys below. And after I julienne the carrot, I then julienne my cucumber, and I do a big batch of this and keep it in my fridge, and it'll last for 2 to 3 days. That way it's like super quick and easy to just throw these bowls together. And then I'm gonna slice up a green onion, and now I'm gonna add my steamed rice to the top. And I love cubed mango in this salad. I don't know why, it just adds so much flavor and is so delicious. I love mango in my spring rolls when I make them, so I love to toss them into the spring roll bowl. And then I have some of these gorgeous young pea shoots. I love these. They have a really clean flavor and they're nice and crispy. So then I'm gonna add just a few slices of avocado. And that is what the bowl looks like. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I top it, and it's really, really simple. You don't have to make any dressings. So the first way to top it is with a little seasoned rice vinegar and some low sodium soy sauce. So I just put equal parts of this on. I'll put 1 to 2 tablespoons of the rice vinegar on, and then 1 to 2 tablespoons of the low sodium soy sauce, and it's ready to eat. Now, if you wanna stay away from soy and vinegar, there is coconut aminos. I like the teriyaki sauce ones. They also make a really good garlic one, and then you can just drizzle that on top as well. Alright guys, that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you are trying to improve your health or lose weight, the biggest tip I can give you is to keep it simple. Keep your meals as simple and sustainable as possible. Bowls are a great option. You get loads of veggies and greens and legumes and whole grains, potatoes. You can throw anything into a bowl, mix it up, and add some delicious sauce. Make sure to check out my website. I have loads of free recipes on there, lots of dressings and sauce recipes so you guys can dress your bowls and keep making progress on your journey. Remember to keep this journey about health and not just about the skinny. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.